We found a legend left to rot. But what if we gave it a new mind?
Çürümeye terk edilmiş bir efsane bulduk. Ya ona yeni bir zihin kazandırsaydık?
In a forgotten barn, buried under dust and rust, we found what was once a roaring legend. A 1969 Dodge Charger, lifeless, breathless, but not lost. Most would walk away. We chose to stay, not to restore it, but to rebuild it for the future. The old V8 heart was removed. Its roar faded into silence. In its place, we installed pure electric power, instant torque, zero emissions. And that was just the beginning. We didn't stop at electricity. We gave it a brain, a neural AI system capable of self-driving, voice control, and adaptive learning. Now, it doesn't just drive, it thinks, it feels the road. It responds to you. But beneath the digital soul, the spirit of muscle lives on. Same steel, same lines, same legacy. This is not a retro car with new parts. This is a new era wearing classic skin. The world's first AI-controlled electric muscle car, built by code, driven by instinct.